Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I welcome you. In today's video, we are going to discover the universal qualities of William Shakespeare owing to his poem The Seven Ages of Man, taken from the play As You Like It. William Shakespeare is one of the greatest bards in the world and he is the greatest dramatist in the world. But on what grounds he has given such place? Why we study Shakespeare in today's world? So I have confined his qualities owing to his poem Seven Ages of Man. First of all, let me define that what are these seven ages and how human beings play their role in these ages, in these different ages. The first age is a newborn child. He comes or she comes into nurse arms, weeping all the day. It is also called the age of dependence. He relies on the utmost care of his parents and his family members. Then the second age of a school-going boy. He creeps like a snail. He is unwilling to school and he wants to play in the ground with his friends, cousins and colleagues. He is not interested in getting education because his mind and heart engages himself into the playing only. And then the most important age, that is of the lover's age, which changes the dimensions of human career and human life. The third age is defined by William Shakespeare as a person in the third age composes poetry. He loves to listen to the poetry and he loves to make lines on the hair or the traces of his beloved. And then he composes poetry facing the doleful condition that he sees or he experiences the separation of his beloved. His heart burns like a furnace. What a word. He lives in a dream world. He has no access to the reality, and after when he changes his career, when he changes his role and enters into the fourth age, then he becomes the soldier. A soldier who sleeps with the boots means he's always ready to respond and he's always ready to act just for getting a bubble's reputation, for a little appreciation. He faces cannon's mouth. He faces hurdles and hardships for getting a little reputation. So this is the fourth age. It is also called the age of struggle. And then comes the fifth age, which is called the justice. A person keeps a formal cut beard and forms a round belly and sees everybody with the eagle eye. He does not believe in any person without observing, and he loves to make decisions. He loves to listen to the people, he loves to observe them, and then he loves to carry out decisions. And then the sixth age, that is called the old age. In the old age, he wears spectacles, means glasses on his nose, and he keeps a secret pocket. He collects the old articles and he loves to tell the youthful adventures to the people. He loves to tell the stories of his youthful days and the good old days. And then comes the last age, that is extremely old, or the second childhood. A person becomes dependent in this age. He relies on the care of other people. He needs a medical care and his life becomes an ending version in ending adventure. He is unable to perform any task or anything in this age, and then he dies. And the last age reflects the first age. This was how William Shakespeare defined the human ages. And by his quality that he understood human nature, he understood what roles men play, what are his emotions in the different roles. And that is why William Shakespeare is studied worldwide. Whenever we study William Shakespeare or his works, we see that William Shakespeare has written for us. He has observed our life. We do not see that he has done works for the England or the other nations in the world. He has done his works for all of the nations, and especially whosoever studies Shakespeare feels that all the works represent the emotions of his heart and the ideas of his mind. That is why we study William Shakespeare. And these are the few qualities of William Shakespeare. And I thought that I must tell you that why William Shakespeare is a greater level in this world. You must need to study William Shakespeare, understand his philosophy, and understand his works. You will teach yourself lots of things. I hope that you have loved this video. Thank you so much.